Heavy rainfall overnight grips Chennai, revives memories of 2015 deluge. School and colleges are shut in Chennai, Kanchipuram and Tiruvallur coastal areas due to heavy rainfall last night. Farms declare holiday. Peoples are affected. Roads are damaged. Stormwater maintenance is logging. It revives the memories of 2015 deluge. At the moment 115 rain in 5 hours on Thursday, but the weatherman forecasts more heavy rainfall. Also, Chief Minister PalaniSwamy keeps strong supervision about the situation.